everyone, I'm so excited. I got my Small Nexus Pyramid today, so come unbox it with me. Okay, here we go. Really later. Let's get this. Okay, so we have the cards. One name is sticker. And I'm seeing the base of the pyramid. It should be this here. Oh, this feels so lovely. The energy in this alone feels so lovely. And now the pyramid. Guys, isn't this beautiful? So let's see. The energy in this feels so amazing. I mean, it's beautiful. All of Peter's works are beautiful. They are stunning. So my cat already loves Nexus Pyramid. This pyramid feels like it's on steroids. That is the best way to describe this. And this is the small one. I can't even imagine what the medium and large and extra large will be like. This is vibrating so strongly in my energy field. It's literally pulsing my energy field. Really, 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 really strong. I really can't wait to start to work with this. Thanks, everyone.